Shoulders, knees and toes. Knees and toes. Head.
Good morning! Say good morning sa anak. Good morning ba? I'm going to school.
Sit down.
See Sarah and? Sarah and?
Siya?
And?
Ito.
Hito! Yeah!
Kawain.
Hello, honey. Let's go na. Where's your bag? Where's your bag? Come on, let's go get your bag. Good morning, everyone! Welcome back sa ating channel. Ngayon ay Tuesday and nandito ako sa salog. Ano bang Tagalog ng salog, guys? Sahig! Nandito ako ngayon sa sahig kasi nag-workout, guys. Actually, I'm in front of my computers. Ayan, hindi nyo lang nakikita. Ang nakikita nyo ay ang aking hinayhay sa likod and pabayaan nyo na yan siya, guys, kasi that's how we roll in this house. Kailangan talaga namin may hinay-hay dyan, guys. O, dami naming labahin. Hindi namin siya nalalagay sa labas kasi umuulan siya and hindi siya mauuga. Mauuga, ay. Hindi siya ma-dry. Kaya dyan lang yan siya kasi pag nagpapaheater kami, nadadry siya ng mabilis. Anyways, nag-open lang ako ng vlog ko dito, guys. Ako lang mag-isa. Alam nyo, may wakwak dito. Natatakot ako. Grabe kayo. Natatakot ako. Grabe ka, Bisaya, oy. But ako lang mag-isa dito ngayon, guys. Kasi Tuesday, si Paris ay nasa childcare. So, nakita nyo naman kanina. Hinatid namin si Paris sa childcare. And it's currently 11:57 ng umaga. So, walang trabaho si Mike today. Kaya umalis siya. Ewan ko kung anong tawag niya sa leave na yun. Pero free daw na leave na binibigay ng kumpanya niya. Pumunta siya ng city para magpagupit ng kanyang hair. So, hintayin ko mga 1 o'clock. Tsaka ako magla-lunch break. Ewan ko kung anong kakainin ko sa lunch break, guys. But I'll see what's available in the fridge. Kasi hindi ako aalis, hindi ako lalabas kasi very, very cold. And normally, di ba, pag nandito si Mike tsaka si Paris, pag lunch break, naglalakad kami patungong shops. But since ako lang naman mag-isa dito, we'll see kung anong gagawin natin sa ating lunch break. Baka mag-film ako, guys, kasi para may, may pang-upload tayo ba. Anyways, other than that, guys, kailangan ko nang mag-play ng music ko ngayon and magwo-work na si Ate Rihanna nyo. So, I'll see you guys again very soon. Mag-lunch break na ako ngayon. And wala akong maisipang kainin, guys. So, hindi ko alam kung anong kakainin ko. So, yung gagawin ko lang ay yung alam kong gawin. Magtutupi na naman tayo ng mga damit, guys, habang may chance tayo. Ayan. So, tutupiin natin yan para maglagay na naman tayo ng isang load. And then, after that is maihay-hay na naman tayo. So, ilalagay ko kayo dito, ha? Huwag kayong umalis. Ayan na, guys, ang ating mga tutupiin. And, let's start now. Let's start. So, nag-message pala sa akin si Mike, guys. Di ba nga sabi ko nasa city siya kasi nagpagupit siya. Nag-message siya sa akin, sabi niya, "Love you, Mama. You need anything or want anything besides my handsome face?" Kapal talaga yung mukha nito ni Mike, guys. Ganyan yan siya maglambing. He's very, very sweet. And I'm really, really loving it. Ang reply naman niya atin nyo, guys, na umiigat din. Sabi ko, "Ha ha ha, love you, Daddy, you're more than enough." Diba? Bongga talaga, guys. Ganyan kami pag naglalambingan kami sa isa't isa. And I really love it kasi Mike and I are very conscious about it. Yun bang kahit matagal na kayo, sa amin ni Mike, guys, for only like 4 years. So, matagal na rin yung 4 years, diba, guys? Kasi minsan in a relationship, it becomes stale. Yun bang nasa stuck kayo, tapos naisip nyo na parang wala nang spark or parang, ay, hindi na niya ako gusto. May negative na kayo na naiisip pag matagal na kayo sa isang relasyon. So, Mike and I, we always talk about that topic. We always make sure na yung spark is nandyan pa rin and we will keep the love burning, guys. So, kahit matagal na kami, may anak na kami isa, still, yung ano pa rin, yung parang yung kulitan ay nandun pa rin. That is very important in a relationship, guys. Yun bang kahit matagal na kayo, nandun pa rin yung kulitan, nandun pa rin yung parang asaran, yun bang joke-joke na mga ganyan-ganyan. That's what makes a relationship stronger, solid, and more exciting. So sa aming dalawa ni Mike, we are very, very conscious about it. So we always make sure na we give each other compliments. So, hindi naman guys na pinupush mo yung self na magbigay ng compliment, no? Kasi minsan lang, I noticed based on my personal experience, there was a stage in our relationship na, nakikita ko si Mike na he looks good, his hair looks good, maganda yung suot niya. But sometimes, hindi ko bino-voice out. In my head, I know na I love his hair, I love the way he looks today, pero hindi ko sinasabi. Guys or girls, boys, don't expect na yung partner nyo is nababasa yung nasa isip nyo. Kung ano mang nasa isip nyo, speak out nyo, sabihin nyo. Kasi yun nga, as mentioned, it happened before sa amin na hindi ko sinasabi sa kanya yung nararamdaman ko. Parang naging flat yung relationship, ganun, 'di ba? But it doesn't mean na sinasabi ko na flat is wala na kaming pag-ibig sa isa't isa. Parang naging, ano lang siya, naging steady lang ba siya, nung walang excitement. So then we realize, kasi we have that late night talk. Pinag-iusapan namin yung mga bagay na ganyan. So, Mike is very mature and I'm very, very lucky kasi he opens up my eyes to a lot of things. Yung pang parang, alam ko naman guys na mature na ako mag-isip, but with Mike kasi, he knows a lot of things and pinapaintindi niya sa akin. So ngayon guys, pag lumalabas kami or kahit anong ginagawa namin or kahit pagising pa lang namin sa umaga guys, si Mike, when we open our eyes and ganyan, sinasabi niya sa akin na, you look beautiful, mama. O so, diba? So, can you imagine, guys, yung paggising nyo lang tapos sinabihan kayo ng ganyan. Maganda na talaga ang start ng araw nyo, o diba? So, you can imagine how big the difference na nagagawa ng good and kind words. So, always make sure, guys, na you throw compliments sa inyong mga partners. Kasi, we need that, right? So, ngayon, pag si Mike, sinasabi ko na, oh, Daddy, I love your hair. Or sinasabi ko, oh, Daddy, I love that shirt on you. That looks nice. Yung parang ganun ba? So, pampaano kasi yan, guys, pampagaan ng loob. And, by you saying that, parang nagaganahan ba tayo ba? Kasi, deep inside, guys, yan yung talagang gusto nating marinig, di ba? That's why, guys, kami ni Mike ngayon, we are like that. So, we always want to keep that vibe sa aming relationship na we still chase each other. Yun bang, hindi ibig sabihin na, kasi kayo na wala na. Like, wala na, kontento na kayo sa isa't isa. That's nice, right, guys? But still, it's very important na yun bang parang nagliligawan pa rin kayo, guys. And we find it working for us. I am very happy. He's very happy, I think. Importante talaga yung paglalambingan, guys, and yung mga tukso-tuksuan, yung mga ganyan. Hindi dapat mawala yung mga kilig-kilig moments kahit kayo na talaga. Pinilhan niya ako nito, oh. Pasalubong is coconut bread. My favorite. See your haircut, Daddy? Be? Yeah. Yeah. There you go. Looks great. Yeah, because he's trying to grow up top here. It looks good, Daddy. What's this?
Back up.
Yeah, that bit.
Hmm?
Yeah, that's nice. I like it. I really like the navy blue. I always do. Bumili din siya nito, guys. Oh, nung katulad kay Paris. Tingnan mo, guys.
Look at that jacket.
Very similar nung kay Paris, guys. But this one is from H&M and Paris was from Cotton. What else? Nag-shopping pala siya, guys. Oh, shopping galore!
Not really, but this is cheap. I just got that undershirt.
Oh, yeah, that's nice.
Huh?
Yeah, just plain white.
And for Paris.
See, bumili siya para kay Paris, guys. Oh, shoes.
Number 1. Oh, yeah.
Okay. First one. That's nice. Oh, that's cute. Yeah. Tumawag siya sa akin kanina, guys. Nagtatanong siya kung anong size ng shoes ni Paris. I said, at the moment, Paris is wearing 5. So, is this 6, Daddy?
No, these are 5s.
Oh. Sabi ko, bumili ka na medyo malaki kasi sayang lang din.
Oh no, 6.
Yeah. Kasi hindi niya susuot, medyo maliit na. But this one is 6, so it's a bit bigger. That's fine. Meron pang isa, guys. So,
6 as
lucky
well.
girl.
These are like neutral, so these will look good with everything. Like jeans, pants, leggings.
Oh. Can you imagine Paris wearing this?
These are good for like, these are good for childcare and that, Bob. Canvas, because they're just like...
Have a look. Such a cutie. So tiny, right? Yeah. Paris is very spoiled, guys. She gets everything.
They're more versatile. Like you can wear that with everything, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Cool. That's nice. Actually, Mike asked me before, guys, if I want anything. But sabi ko, wag na kasi wala na akong maisip, guys. Uy, naipabili sa kanya. Like, I've got everything that I need. Ayan, wala na pala. Yun lang, guys, yung shinaping niya.
Look, how much it was? Only.
Which one is this for? Oh, is this for the shoes?
Yeah.
Oh, is it only $60 for both?
No.
Ah, they were on sale.
Not bad, yeah?
That's good. You guys see?
Yeah, because see these ones, these ones,
$60.
so these you can't wear with everything, you know what I mean?
60%. Yeah, true.
Like they're not gonna look good with jeans. Sorry, they're not gonna look good with skirt or dress. But the Vans ones.
Then you guys also, you have saved $80.
Yeah.
That's really cool for the 2 shoes.
But the Vans ones, she can even wear them with a dress and like leggings, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Hi guys, alas 5 na. Ang dilim-dilim sa labas. Oh, alas 5 pa lang. So I just finished work and we're going to pick up our little girl from the childcare. Tignan nyo, oh. At least hindi siya umuulan. But for sure, malakas na naman yung ulan mamayang gabi. Yung buhok ko, guys, oh, super kalkag. Daddy, let's go. Dito lang ako sa sasakyan, guys. Nandito kami sa labas ng childcare ni Paris. And sabi ni Mike, sabi niya magpaiwan daw ako dito. Gusto niya siya lang yung pumasok doon para pick upin si Paris. Tapos sabi ko, no, I wanna go in. I wanna see my daughter straight away. Pero sabi niya, guys, I want Paris to be excited for me. Kawawa naman si Mike, guys. Uy. Kasi every time na si Paris is, Mommy, you know, na-excite si Paris kasi nandun ako. Sabi niya, is it okay na siya lang daw yung pumasok para pick upin si Paris? Para makita daw niya yung excitement daw ni Paris na andun siya, hindi dahil nandun ako. So, sabi ko, okay. Nagpaiwan na lang ako dito, guys. Hihintayin ko na lang silang dalawa dito. Dito na sila, guys. Hi! Oh, guys, seriously. Hi! Hi! Wow! Is that your shoes? What's the color of the shoes? One more. One more. Wow! Do you want to say thank you to Daddy? Thank you, Daddy. Daddy.
Hey, Daddy. Papa?
Whoa!
Wow!
Shoes!
Say thank you, Daddy.
Yay! What did you say?
She wants you to fall.
Wait, careful, huh? Careful.
Whoa! Daddy was always gonna catch her, Mum.
Bob.
My catch.
Mommy, catch ka karon. Careful, anak.
Mommy!
You might hurt yourself ba?
Mommy! My catch.
Mummy, catch, Mummy.
What did you say?
Catch.
Please. Please.
Mum.
Ay, hinga na yan.
My catch.
Ready? Are you
Hang on. Okay? Careful, Daddy.
No, you be kicking on like you're ready.
Go.
Okay, ready?
Ready.
1, 2. She's gonna fall asleep.
Mommy!
Come here.
Mommy!
Come here.
Catch this way. Whoa! Okay, catch ready?
Come on.
Whoa!
Come on. 1, 2. Ready? Steady.
Oh! Okay,
Ready?
ready?
Steady.
Go!
Jump na babe. One little monkey, Daddy.
Okay, go.
Wait.
Go.
Okay!
Mama.
Mommy, that is sad. No.
Come on, do it again. One little.
It's faster.
Okay.
3 little monkeys.
Jump. One little monkey jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped her head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said,
Head, toes, knees,
Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Knees and toes. Head.
what else?
You sing.
Humpty
She's-
Dum. Ay.
Go.
Feet in the monkey down on
Bed. 1. Go. 1 fell off.
Ano ito rin buhok na? One fell off and bumped her head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, hello?
Hoy!
Uy, anak. Bungkag na.
Ow.
Maawa ka.
Hey, mommy, toes.
Mama called the doctor and the doctor said,
Mommy, my brother.
Head.
Humpty Dumpty na, Humpty Dumpty. Humpty Dumpty sat on the...
Well,
Humpty Dumpty had a great
careful.
fall. All the king's horses and all the kings couldn't put Humpty together.
Come inside.
Where are you going?
Come inside.
Stop up your
Bathroom?
Come here, Mama.
Oh, what hurts, Baba?
Oh my God, that's her.
Call the doctor. Call the doctor, Daddy.
No, please. Go.
Oh, Paris, go. Okay. Okay, you call the doctor. Tell the doctor you need him.
Call the doctor.
Please.
Yeah, you call the doctor. Guys, call doctor.
Yeah. It's gone.
Come on. Say hello.
How does it? It could be his arm.
Hello, Paris.
Mommy,
Come on, the doctor answered.
I come inside. Huh? Mommy.
And improve how he feels about his appearance. Takes different supplements sporadically and is influenced by media and friends. So I wrote, change his attitude towards eating and review the current influences he is obtaining information from on nutrition, supplementation.
Hi guys! 10 o'clock na ng gabi. And, ayan, si Daddy Mike, nasa computer pa siya. Kasi, nag-aaral yan siya, guys. And then, ako, kakalabas ko lang from kwarto. Kasi, pinatulog ko si Paris, guys. And, kasi sobrang busy sa work kanina, guys. And I said, I'm going to do a bit of work tonight. Kaya, andyan pa yung laptop ko, guys. I-open ko. Maybe mag-work ako for 30 minutes. Kahit 30 minutes or 40 minutes. We'll see how it goes. But, yeah. Si Daddy Mike pala, guys, hindi yan siya nag-work. Kasi, diba, sabi ko sa inyo kanina, pumunta siya ng city kasi off niya. Yung ginagawa niya ngayon ay, nag-aaral siya ng, what are you doing, Daddy?
Putting my headband on.
I mean, like this one.
Huh?
This one.
What am I doing?
Yeah, I'm studying.
My certificate 3 and certificate 4 in personal training.
Yeah. So yeah, Daddy is a personal trainer, guys. And yeah, he's doing this cert 3 and 4, and then he'll be an expert.
Based on Sean's goals.
He's actually an expert already, guys, but you know, just need to do the paperwork before you get that accreditation. Anyways, I'll mind my own business, guys, or you go work. Natawa kami, guys, kasi si Mike, ayan, nag-aaral siya sa personal training niya, tapos ako, ayan, kumakain ng muffin. Sa bahay na to talaga, guys, si Mike is very healthy. Tapos ako, ito is healthy kung gusto ko lang. Anyways, guys, i-end natin yung vlog dito kasi medyo mahaba-haba na siya and getting late na rin siya. It's currently 10:15 na ng gabi and I'm still going to work. Mag-overtime sa atin yung tonight, guys, kasi sobrang busy. As usual, mag-shoutout tayo, guys, sa ating mga subscribers kasi mahal na mahal ko kayo. Shoutout to Rosemary Romoir. Hello, shout out. Shout out to Little Miss Isay. The Richmonds. Welcome sa ating channel. Shout out to Marilyn Drudge, Mirasol Dayaw, June Ray, and Gina Gikan. The Inday Oling Story. Hello. Watching from London, UK daw. Take care din kayo dyan. Very pasensya na kung aking boses ay very low kasi ayokong magising si Paris kay naku, pag nagising na yan, na. Hindi na tayo makapag-work kasi magdididi na naman yun siya. Kaya yung voice natin is kalma lang. Shout out to Red Sibial. Hello, Day. Shout out to Joanne Ambe, Janet Gordon, Joy Pangan, Teresa Onables, Rosario Saballe, Lizelle Iga, Rosette Paciente, Maribel Patiag, Filipina-British couple, watching from UK then, hello. Shout out to Kimberly Lapernina, Cherry Macarilay, bago daw siya dito sa welcome sa ating channel. Shout out to Richard Antiga, EJ's Vlog. I think she's new too, so welcome. Welcome sa bahay nating maliit. Shout out to Amelita Zayas, Loving Woman, Benji Canonio, Dari and Drake Wilson, Roman Chris Juan, Jenny Basak, Amber Kika's World, Christine Biboso Vlog. Hello, shout out. Shout out to Gwen Christensen, Odessa Donghill, Chas Vlog, Sel Lees, and shout out din daw sa husband niya, John Lees. He's also from Melbourne. Hello, shout out. Shout out to Majoy Lasas, Georgina Rivans, Marich Chano, Gina Solis, and Luz Viminda Polido. So that's about it, guys. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and also hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And I hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye!